What's poppin', guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're here today, it's because you literally need to send 100 emails and you're tired of copy pasting and you know there's a better way. And there is. It's called templates. Now, usually when you go into your email, you would hit compose and you would click on the more options and you would see your template option right here. But on Gmail, it currently is not. But we're going to fix that. First, we're going to close this out. We're going to go into settings. And when you click on settings, it's not going to show you everything that you need. So you're going to click see all settings. Once you can see all of your settings, make sure you're under the general tab right here. And then go all the way down until you see advanced. When you click on advanced, hit enable templates. Yes. Now when you click on here, you'll see that it's not there. Now, if this is happening to you, don't worry. It's good. Go back to enable the templates. Scroll all the way down. Click Save Changes. Once the changes are saved, we're going to go back into Compose, hit the more options, and you'll see your templates right there. Now you can go to your drafts. You can go to your drafts and you can make one of your draft messages one of them, or you can make an entirely new message. Hey, Darren. Hey, Darren. Oops. Hey, Darren. How's it going? Anything you want. Click on more options. Hit templates. Save draft as template, and you can save it as a new template and then save. And if you ever need to delete it, it's just as easy to delete it or save over another one. I hope this video helped you out a lot. If you've not been to my channel before, go ahead into my page, check out some of my other videos, and make sure that you subscribe and leave a comment down below if this helped you out.